أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وكفى بالله وكيلا إن يشاء يذهبكم أيها الناس ويأت بآخرين وكان الله على ذلك قديرا. And to the sovereign divine Lord belongs everything in the heavens and the earth, and sufficient is Allah in charge of everything. O people, if He wants, He can certainly let you go and bring in others to replace you. And Allah certainly has the power to do that. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, and also give us the confidence and courage to apply this holy knowledge onto ourselves, as well as pass it on to others. Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.